What's up guys? Today we are checking out Logitech's latest affordable gaming headset, the Logitech G435. Let me tell you guys right now, holding this in my hand, I like it. It's lightweight and it's got a colorful scheme, pretty good. But we've also reviewed dozens of gaming headsets on this channel. So what makes the G435 so special? What should you know about this gaming headset? How does it compare to the competition? And is it something you should be considering picking up? Like many Logitech headsets, the G435 is easy to use. It has an intuitive control scheme on the left cup that includes a power button, a volume rocker for easy adjustments, and a multifunctional button that can mute the microphone or toggle between wireless connectivity options depending how long you hold it. It also has a low decibel mode that restricts the maximum volume to 85 decibels, which can be activated by holding the volume down and mute buttons. You can enable a reliable wireless connection with the included USB, and it's Bluetooth compatible to pair with phones or tablets. It also doesn't come with any companion software, so it's just take it out of the box, plug it in, and go. A big unique quality about the G435s is its ultra lightweight design. It only weighs 165 grams, so it's one of the lightest gaming headsets you'll find. It's made from lightweight plastic with no metal components, and although the build quality isn't as premium as higher end models, it's certified carbon neutral and uses 22% recycled plastic. It has a fit that's optimized for smaller heads, but has an extendable headband to comfortably accommodate larger heads as well. While the headband lacks cushioning, the ear cups feature a plush memory foam padding and a fabric covering that doesn't retain heat to remain comfortable over extended gaming sessions. The battery life is also pretty impressive for an entry-level headset. The battery is rated to deliver up to 18 hours of continuous playtime depending on your usage habits, which is really solid for the price point. You can charge it by a USB-C port, and it comes with a 6-foot-long USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable. It utilizes a USB transmitter that's compact enough to not block out any other ports if you plug it in anywhere. And with Logitech's Lightspeed technology, it provides a fantastic wireless experience. The signal remains reliable from a distance up to 20 feet away, so it provides a solid range of motion. It also features an impressive low latency connection, unlike many other dedicated wireless headsets, which delivers in-sync audio while gaming and watching videos. By the way, if you're enjoying this video or even learning something about the Logitech G435, give the video a like. It really helps with the channel and helps us grow. And if you're looking for updated pricing on the items, check the description. You never know when these things might go on sale. Moving on to what matters most, the sound quality. The 40mm drivers deliver respectable overall sound quality. They produce a solid maximum volume level, but the design isn't for isolating noise and preventing sound leakage. So you can hear some ambient background noise and at lower volumes. The bass response is also somewhat underwhelming and doesn't make in-game sound effects or that subtle details pop. You can still hear important cues while gaming though. Dialogue, sound effects, and environmental audio all ring through clearly and offers suitable performance for casual gamers. Overall sound quality is good, but not great, and pretty much what I would expect from a sub $100 wireless gaming headset. The G435 utilizes dual beamforming microphones instead of the standard boom microphone, which offers great placement flexibility. Performs admirably with registering voices, but it's prone to picking up some ambient background noise and keyboard clatter, so it's not the best choice for gaming in loud environments. Overall, the Logitech G435 is a solid entry-level headset for the casual gamer. With its comfortable, lightweight build, dual wireless connectivity capabilities, long-lasting battery, and a good enough sound quality, I can see why people are excited to give it a try, but it's not going to suit all users. The SteelSeries Arctic 5, for example, it comes as a less colorful design, but it's still lightweight and it does come with a little better sound quality than these ones. The G435 is a solid option though that's designed to deliver wireless functionality at a reasonable price and offers some features to improve your performance. I think this is a good option to consider if you're looking for an inexpensive gaming headset. But that's just my opinion. Why don't you guys tell me your opinions in the comments down below? And if you're looking for updated pricing on all the items, check the links in the description. And if you learned something or found this video helpful at all, why don't you give it a like? And subscribe if you're new and you like short, informative tech videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.